It's made out of cast aluminum frame, and it radiates heat using 24 volts, and the main input power to the machine is 208 to 220 VAC, and there is a time switched indicator. The timer here can be set from 0 to 30 seconds using the dial there, and can be, once the sealing is complete, the timer will give a small buzzer and the LED will indicate. So the system involves a pair of jaws and the radiating heat tube and the lever mechanisms to operate or to separate the jaws like that. And also there's another arm using the left hand we should adjust to lower the IR heating element over to the sealing jaw. This system can seal tubes up to 60 millimeter diameter, which is little over 2 inches. Also, this system can technically produce 242 tubes per hour maximum. The electrical consumption of this unit is 400 watts. The water consumption is about 100 liters per hour. I'm using a standalone chiller unit, and this system will not include the chiller. The chiller water is connected in such a way it goes to the jaws, and through the jaws the entire loop is finished. It also cools the electrodes, and then the water returns to the return path. The dimensions of this system is about 400 millimeter long, 400 millimeter wide, and height is about 520 millimeter. It's a heavy instrument. It is about 22 kilograms in weight, which is over almost 50 pounds. The system can be bolted down to a sturdy table using a 12 millimeter diameter screw at the bottom of the base. The machine can be fixed on the table. Also, install the water inlet lines first before operating or powering on the machine. So, special equipment are available for additional accessories for this system from the manufacturers. So please refer the user manual for detailed parts and the applications. In addition to the sealing arrangement here, there is a cutter here which can be separated and used to cut certain kind of tubes. I'm going to demonstrate how to seal a tube. I have sealed this tube here, so I'm going to show you how to do it. So first, separate the jaws and insert the tube at least 1 millimeter above the jaws, and then once you release it, it is a spring-loaded jaw. So after that, lower the beam like this, and as soon as you lower, the LED indicates the timer kicked in, and right now the timing is set about 10 seconds. So that buzzer indicates the heating is done to seal the tube for the desired amount of time. So let the sample cool down a little bit via these jaws. The flowing water helps it. So here is a sealed tube. So the time duration typically depends on the material of the tube that is being sealed, and it is very important to go with the specifications of the material. So the system main input being 220 volts AC. Attempt should not be made to open the cover on the power box and to operate the system. Also, proper gloves should be worn while handling this sample, because severe burns could result due to the heat